How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our single row Carbine series here. Now we offer these light bars in our 10-inch model, our 20-inch model, and our 40-inch model, and we do offer all of these light bars in floodlight optics or hybrid optics. Now for example here, I brought our 10-inch model in a floodlight optics. Now our 10-inch model will have 3,780 lumens, and then here I brought our Carbine 20-inch in our hybrid optics. Now on our hybrid optics, you will have floodlight optics on the outsides there, and then you'll have spotlight optics in the middle of your light bar. And on your 20-inch model, you will have 8,820 lumens. And then moving over here to our Carbine 40-inch, I brought a floodlight model here, and on your Carbine 40-inch, you will have 17,640 lumens on this light bar. Now these are perfect anywhere you need a low profile work light or off-road light bar, and if you need these to flash, you can also pair these with our wireless remote switch relay, which you'll see as an option on the product pages. So make sure to check out the product pages for the full product information, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.